Hello my dear students, so in this video we are going to do revision of EVS subjects. So already you know the syllabus is given from chapter 1 to chapter 5, right? So students, we are going to start from chapter 1. So before doing revision, I want to tell you about exam. So as you have already appeared in regular assessment, there you know like how you have to give the exam, right? The optional, like how you have to appear, how you have to write your name, how you have to start the exam. In this video, I'm going to share the revision as well as with some questions and also the question pattern, like how it will be and how you have to choose the options. Okay, and this time some match the following will also be there. So in that case also I will show you that how you have to do it. Okay, so very simple, just you need to follow some steps and then you can easily do it. So without doing further delay, let's start the revision. So first chapter is our body. Okay, so in this chapter we have already learned about different system of our body, different functions of different organs in our body, and also how our organ system work. Okay, so here it starts with internal and external body parts. Okay, so whatever the internal parts we have, that is called organs, right? Then skeletal system. And what is organ system? Like skeletal system is also an organ system. Okay, so organ, that means the part which works inside our body, that is our organs, and that when some organs work together, okay, as a system, that is called organ system. So first of all, in your book it is given skeletal system. So skeletal system, it is what the framework of bones, okay, for our of our body, and also it gives shape and support to our body, and for that only we can stand upright. Okay, and it also protects our body organs. So you can see here some pictures are given. So this is the human vertebrae. Okay, so this one is also called your backbone or spine. And here some important points are there. Okay, so you can see here adult body has 206 bones. So this is important point, right? So you can take a pencil and you can also underline while reading this line. So you can underline this. Okay, so this is in case of adult, and in case of baby it's over 300 small bones. Okay, then rib cage protects our heart and lungs. Okay, then 33 small bones, they consist of vertebrae. Okay, and the point where bones meet is called a joint. Okay, and joints help us to move in different ways, and we also know about that some joints are there in our body. Okay, different joints. So types of joints is also given. So let's see. So here you can see hinge joint. Okay, then ball and socket joint examples are also there. Elbow, knees are hinge joint, as we can move them in only one direction, and ball and socket joint like shoulder, hips. Okay, so this we can move it in all directions, so that's why it's called ball and socket joint. And when you move to higher classes, you will also get some other type of joints. And students, so in this way all the system you have to read. Okay, muscular system, then nervous system, respiratory system, circulatory system, okay, digestive system, excretory system, everything. And there whatever the important part you see, so that one you have to mark with the help of pencil. You can underline those lines, okay, so that you can revise them properly. And do not forget to read this did you know part. Okay, so here you see a human adult heart beats 72 times per minute. That means in 1 minute adult's heart beat 72 times. Then a newborn baby heart beats 130 to 150 times per minute. So from here we can understand that baby's heartbeat is faster than our adult humans. Okay, so this is also a fact which we should know. Okay, then different parts of different system consisting of, okay, then types of muscles. Okay, voluntary, involuntary muscles. Okay, nervous system, what are the main organs including here. Okay, so everything I have given, everything discussed. So I think you can read this, and you can easily revise them with your understanding. And here digestive system is there, and in this digestive system a lot of organs are working together. So in this case you can read this properly and know the function, like what they are doing, how they are helping in digestion. Okay, students, and here each of them, like liver, stomach, large intestine, small intestine, their functions are given, starting from mouth, the saliva, okay, everything. So you just go through. And lastly we have excretory system. As you know, excretory system help us to remove the waste from our body, and the organs including here kidneys and also skin also remove the excess water and salt in the form of sweat, as you all know that, right? So in this way, one by one, you like line by line, you have to read it properly, and you just underline them, and you can make points also, like in your practice copy you can write the points also, okay, which you find important, okay. Then also remember, so here some points are already given, this one you can go through. And students, word meaning will not come in exam, but you can read it to know the meaning of it. The most important part, that is your exercises, so you have to read the exercises, and already I think it is done in your book. So with the help of answers, with the help of PDFs, you can match your answer whether it's correct or not, and then you can practice it, okay. Do not forget to do any do not leave any questions, okay students. So one by one you have to do it. Next we have match the rows, okay. So match the rows will also come in this exam, so I'll show you how it will be in question paper, true, false, and also the question answer. So students, now you may ask that, ma'am, whether question answer will come or not, whether we have to write or not. Students, you need not to type, okay. That means you need not to write them or type in the mobile, but this type of questions may come with option, so you have to know the answer of these questions, then only you can choose the correct option, right students? So that is why do not skip, okay. Don't think that it is optional question, so we will not read these questions, okay students. So practicing is very, very important. So after reading it, you just practice them by writing in your practice copy, okay. So let's do some quick exercise after revising this what we understood, so that one we will see by some questions, by solving some questions. So let us see. So here I have some questions with me, okay, revision. So whatever we have read, in our we read in chapter 1, so from that I just find out some questions to show you that how it will be. It's kind of sample paper, you can say, okay. So this is from chapter 1, only chapter 1, okay students, this revision. Now you see question number, our backbone is made up of dash bone. So this is a fill in the blanks type question, but it also have some options. So the correct option you have to choose, right students? So our backbone is made up of dash bone. So the answer will be what? 33, right? So different options are there, but you have to choose the correct option. So the answer will be 33. So what you have to do? Just you have to click here, okay. So after clicking, it will become like this, okay. Some black dot will come. So that means this one you have ticked this this answer, and this is the answer for this question, okay. And you'll get marks for this. Now question number 2, joints in our elbows and knees are known as dash joint, okay. So in elbows and knees, what type of joint we have? So you see the options here: ball and socket joint, hinge joint, bones, and none of this. So obviously it is a hinge joint, right? So here also you have to just click here, then this one will be your answer, okay students. Next, number 3, it is given that name the juice produced by our largest gland. So our largest gland is what? Liver. So liver produces what type of juice? You see saliva, pancreas, liver, or bile. So you, from this, what juice liver produces? Obviously bile juice, right? So here also you have to just click here, then this one will be your answer, okay students. So obviously when you are doing, students, be careful while clicking the option, okay. Always choose the correct one, okay. Do not, like, you are thinking like this this one will be the answer, but you are clicking here, then it will make you in trouble. So that is why be cautious, like be concentrate on your exam, okay, and be careful, Okay students, and while doing the question paper, while you are giving the exam, just relax your mind and one by one you just do. Okay, do not touch anywhere in the screen. Okay, then maybe like it will submit, but it will show that no answer is submitted. It happens actually in regular assessment. So that is why I'm telling you that do not do that type of mistake. Okay students, now see question number 4. How digestive system help us? So digestive system help us. How they help? Four options are there: to digest food, to eat food, to remove waste, or none of this. So obviously the answer will be what? Digestive system help us to digest food, right? So I have to choose this option, right? So again, if you click, so you will get a black dot. That means this one will be considered as your answer. Now see this question properly students, matching. Okay, so as I told you, in this exam you will have matching also. Okay, so here how you have to do this students, here no need to match like by drawing some lines over here, but what you have to do here also have to choose. Okay, so you can see some boxes in the left side, right, and here some numbers are there. Okay, so what you have to do with this, you have to see that which number is matching, and that number you have to choose. Okay students, so let us see what are given here. First of all, see skeletal system, skull, heart, kidneys, and this side brain, circulatory system, excretory system, and bones. Okay, so skeletal system is matched with what? Bones, and it is in the number what? 4, right? So when you are sure that okay, skeletal system will match with 4, then what you have to do in this box, okay, this arrow mark, so you have to click here. Once you will click here, it will show you something like this. Okay, so as you know, the answer will be what? 4, right? For 1, that skeletal system. So in this way you will see some dots over here. So as you know that this answer will be 4, so what you have to do, you have to choose this dot. Okay, so if you have to click here, then it will show like this. Okay, that means 4 is selected. Okay, and that option will also come here. That means you have choose 4 for this answer. Okay, like for this you have chose bones over here, so this 4 will also come here. Similarly for skull, what you think, like from this what will be the answer? So for skull, obviously skull is related to our brain, right? So you have to choose. Okay, choose from here. Then again from here you have to choose, like for now it will be what? 1 number, so you have to choose 1 over here. Once you have chosen 1, it will show 1, as you can see. Okay, so in this way only you have to just choose. Okay, so next one is your heart. Then again you have to choose that arrow mark. Then from that you have to choose, like heart will be matched with what? 2 number, like circulatory system. So you have to click again 2. Then 2 will come here. Okay students, and lastly kidney will be matched with 3, excretory system. So you have to click 3. So in this way your match the following is done. Okay, so for checking you can check like 4 number is matching with skeletal system or not. Yes, bones. Then 1 is brain. Okay, 2 is circulatory system, and 3 kidney, that is your excretory system. That means your 1 is done. So in this way you have to do matching. Okay, so do not get confused students. Okay, now let's do question number 6. Write true or false. So here you have to just choose true or false. Okay, so question is digestion begin from mouth. So is it true or false students? Obviously you know it, digestion begin from our mouth, right? So the option will be true. Once you will click on here, so this one will show like this. So that means you are saying true. Okay, and in this way 7 number also, our small intestine is about 5 meters long. Okay, so is this statement is true or false? I think you know about it. So when you will read the question, you will get this. So our small intestine is long and coiled tube. Okay, so the measurement of that coil is about 5 meter long. Okay, so that one is given here. So obviously the statement is true, right? So you have to click here again, then it will be considered as your answer. Okay, so you have to click here, then it will be considered as true. Okay students, so I hope that this video will help you and this revision will help you okay, for your exam. So in this way, for all the chapters we will do revision in this way. And students, as you can see the question pattern over here, So if you will not read the chapter properly, then you can't able to answer these questions, because these questions are not in the exercise. Okay students, so that is why I am repeatedly saying that you just go through your chapter one by one. Okay, one by one line you just go through. Okay, and then you do your revision properly. That one will help you to do good in your exam. So in this way you just read this chapter, this you do revision, and also you just see these questions. Okay, and not only this question, but also if you want to make some other questions by yourself, that one also you can write it down. Okay, and as I told you, you can make some points after reading the chapter, so that one also you can make. Okay students, so in this way do not forget to read the book, and do not leave any of the line, any of the corner of your book. Okay students, so in this way you do your revision. So this was your chapter 1 revision. In this way we will do up to chapter 5. So in my next video I will tell you about chapter 2 and we will revise that. Okay students, so till then you just revise this chapter 1 and do all the exercises, all the question answers, and also the chapter reading. Okay, so for that you just prepare yourself, and then you just after completion of this chapter 1 we will go to chapter 2. Okay, so for that I'm giving you some time. So after watching this video you just go through. Already those who have attended online class, they know about it. Okay, and those who are not able to do it, for them I'm just making this. So you just go through, and due to network problems sometimes we may not hear the sound properly, so for them also you just go through this video. This one will help you. Okay, and in this way we will do revision for all the chapters. Okay, and if you have any problem, anything you didn't understand, then you can contact me. Okay, thank you so much.